friends, today we're going to draw a mummy.
And here's a quick preview of how our drawings look at the very end. We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw with.
But you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, crayons or colored pencils work perfect too. Now, we can show our friends the inside. Well, they've already seen the thumbnail, but let's keep it a surprise. Yeah. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first fold our paper. We're going to take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and fold it down. And if you're already familiar with folding surprises and doing this folding part, you could just skip ahead. But if this is the first time, you could follow along. We're going to fold our paper before we draw. We got it in half. Then we're going to take the top flap and line it up with the top edge, and then fold that down. Also, if we go too fast and you need more time, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you can pause the video.
I was concentrating.
Yeah, that's okay. Then we're going to flip over our paper and repeat. We're going to take the top flap, line it up, and crease it down. Okay, this is just a guide fold. So we're going to unfold it and flatten that out, and then flip our paper back over. And when we're all done, it should open up like this. And we also have some scratch paper we'll put underneath our drawing paper to protect our table because we're drawing with markers. And we're also going to turn our paper this way so that our paper opens up to the left. And I think that'll make it easier since I'm right-handed. But if you're left-handed, you could turn it the other way. And we're going to draw our mummy half on the left and half on the right. So let's first draw the smile. I'm going to draw, and we could draw it scary. Should we draw it scary?
Yes.
Let's draw it more scary. Okay, I'm going to draw the mouth like this then. So upside down you, and then I changed the smile into it. You could do it too. We're going to draw a circle kind of like, kind of mouth like this. And then I'm going to draw the tongue on the bottom. Yes, then we draw a curve over. And then I'm going to change this top thing so that it's teeth, and then color in the middle part. Yeah, there we go. That was a little confusing. I'm sorry. Okay. We'll try to make the steps a little easier. So we got the teeth on top. You could just change the mouth any way you want. You could keep it a smile. You could make the mouth more like a frown. Okay, good job. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle or an oval and an oval. And we can color the ovals in. Now let's draw the head. We're going to start here and draw the chin and cheeks over to the other side. And then let's draw the top of the head going up and over. So we got this circle or oval shape. And then we could also draw some of the wrap coming out to the side. So I'm going to draw two curves going out, and then we can draw a zigzag line to connect them. Yes. Okay, now let's draw the rest of our mummy. We're going to draw the hands sticking out. I'm going to draw upside down letter U's, one on each side. We're going to draw the hands like this, so it's going,
the zombie walk.
Yeah, ooh. I don't think that's the noise it makes. The zombie walk. It's the mummy walk with the hands sticking out. I guess it's kind of zombie too. There you go. And then let's draw the fingers inside. We're going to draw little U's, 3 U's connected together for the fingers. And then we can draw the arm connected to the head. I'm going to draw one on the outside that's long, and then on the inside we could draw shorter ones, just going partially in. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the legs and the rest of the body. We're going to start on this finger, and we're going to come down. And same over here, we'll draw it coming down. Well, I'm realizing that I have more space over on this side. That's okay. It's not quite symmetrical, but the next time I'll work on getting this more even on both sides. Okay, next let's draw the legs. We're going to draw the inside, or let's draw a little line right here. I'm going to draw it going over the fold. Then we're going to draw the inside of the legs coming down. Yeah, see, this leg over here is skinnier than this one.
That's okay.
The most important thing?
To have fun.
Yeah, and?
Practice.
Then we're going to draw the toes coming around, sticking out, and then coming around and connecting to the inside. And the same thing on the side. Yeah, this leg's way stronger. It doesn't quite look like a mummy yet. We're missing something.
The wrap.
Yeah, the toilet paper.
Yeah.
Okay, for the costume. I don't think it was really toilet paper, but it was just cloth wrapped around on the real ones. But for my costume, it's just going to be toilet paper. So we're going to draw these going all the way through, even the eyes. And we can draw these kind of go in different directions too. And you can also draw them curving. Ooh, and I'm gonna draw maybe one up here going that way, and one there too. Yes, okay, now let's do the arm. I'm gonna draw two curves wrapping around the arm, going this way. And we could also add a little wrap on the hand. I'm gonna just draw one diagonal line. Then we can draw more going across the body. So I'm gonna draw these curving too. And some of them could be S curving. And then I'm gonna draw little ones going down and then wrapping around the foot. I went really fast. So our friends, don't worry about making your wrap look exactly like mine. You can change it. Maybe they go in different directions. You could also draw diagonal lines going across this way and down the leg. Ooh, I'm also gonna add, I know I'm going really fast, but we're gonna add one little piece sticking out this way too. Okay, we finished our little mummy, except we need to rip them apart. We're gonna rip the wrap off. So we're gonna flatten it out so that it's easier to draw, and you can crease the folds down or flatten them out. Yes, there you go. Okay, now we're going to draw the inside, or what's inside the wrap. And we're gonna try to repeat some of the same stuff, but let's change it too. So we're gonna draw our little skeleton guy. First, we're gonna draw a really wide U. This is for this teeth of our skeleton. Then we're gonna draw a line in the middle, and then a line on each side. There's our teeth. Then we're gonna draw upside down, letter V, and then we're gonna draw two bumps. It looks like an upside down heart, and then color in that shape. Now let's draw the eyes. We're gonna draw spooky eyes, spooky skeleton eyes, two ovals or circles, and then let's color in those shapes too. Now let's draw the rest of the head. We're gonna draw a big letter U going around the bottom. Next, let's draw the top of the head going around, over. And we're trying to make this the same size too. That's what we're trying to line up. And then we can draw the cheeks coming in from the side. And then let's also extend the teeth down below the smile line. That's kind of spooky.
Yeah.
And a little cute. Okay, now let's draw the same hands just like they were for our mummy. So we're going to draw the upside down letter U's. And then let's draw the fingers. We'll just repeat the same steps, so we'll go a little faster. We're drawing those three connected U's. And then we're going to draw that connecting to the head. And then the short line on the inside of the arms. Now we're going to repeat the same shape for our body too. So we're going to draw it coming down, and we kind of want to line these up the same. And I'm doing the same thing. Look.
Me too. I just did it.
Yeah, the left side's skinnier. It's closer to the center. Oh well. Okay, then let's draw the right here. Oh, I drew that higher. It's all right. We'll keep going. Yeah, and then we're going to draw the legs. We want them to look the same width. And then we're going to draw the toes coming out and curving in, just like we did for the mummy. Now, you could change the body any way you want. You could turn it into more of a zombie if you want, but let's draw a skeleton. So let's first draw the middle bone. We're going to draw this oval shape right here in the middle. Yes, and then we're going to draw the ribs coming down and connecting on both sides. Then let's draw two lines for the ribs on both sides. Then we're going to draw the pelvis bone. We're going to draw it right here, and it's going to look like a jelly bean shape. We're going to come around and then connect back. And then we could draw a circle and another circle. Okay, now let's draw a leg bone. And we're going to keep it really simple. We're just going to draw one leg bone, even though you could add a lot more. So I'm drawing two lines next to each other on each side. And then we can draw two bumps on the top and two bumps on the bottom. Two bumps over here and down here. Then I'm going to draw a line for the bottom or the feet. Kind of look like shoes or slippers. And then we're going to draw two lines for the toe bones. And then let's also draw a bone inside the arms. So two lines there. One last one going across the fingers. Okay, we finished our skeleton, except we need to finish the wrap over here. So first we're going to draw this line extending on the top and bottom of the head. And then we can do the same thing over here. Then let's draw this line extending right here too, and over here. Okay, now we're going to draw it torn. So we're going to draw this zigzag line, really simple, all the way down to the bottom of the head, and then down the body too. And then we'll do that same zigzag over here. So some of these zigzags I'm drawing big and some I'm drawing small. You can mix them up so they don't look exactly the same. Yes, and then see each of these lines for the toilet paper, we're going to extend those into the zigzags. So this part will speed up because we're just going to repeat this on both sides all the way up and down our little mummy. And then for the mouth, let's extend the top of the mouth and the bottom over to the zigzag. And we could do the same for the teeth and also the tongue. So it looks like it's getting stretched. Yes, and then we can color in that middle shape. And then we'll repeat that same thing over here. It looks kind of cool. It's getting stretched. Sorry. Now we could add even more things, but let's leave it like this, and we still need to
color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and color your drawings. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our mummies, and they turned out awesome, all colored in. I like that we didn't leave it white. We colored it kind of this gross yellow color, so it looks old. But we need to show our art friends the inside, okay? On the count of three. One, two, three.
It's disgusting.
It's gross. We added the slime, and our art friends, you guys could add this or change it. You could add something completely different. Maybe more little skeletons coming out. Ooh, that would be gross too.
Yeah. You could also draw bats and pumpkins.
Oh yeah, that would be awesome. You could draw anything inside of the folding surprise. You could also add bats on the outside. But it looks really cool like this, and I'm sure our friends' drawings look really cool.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a mummy.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add more things to the inside. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.